A tale of two birds. There once lived a bird and her newborn babies in the forest. They had a nest in a tall, shady tree, and there the mother bird took care of her little ones, day and night. One day, there was a big storm. There was thunder, lightning, and rain, and the wind blew down many trees. The tall tree and which the birds lived also came down. A big heavy branch hit the nest and killed the birds. Fortunately for the baby birds, the strong wind blew them away to the other side of the forest. One of them came down near a cave where a gang of robbers lived. The other land outside a racist ashram a little distance away. These passed, and the baby birds become big birds. One day, the king of the countries came to the forest to hunt. He saw a deer and rode after it. It ran deep into the forest, followed by the king. Soon the king lost his way and didn't know where he was. He rode on for a long time till he came to the other side of the forest. Very tired by now, he got off his horse and sat down under a tree that stood near a cave. Suddenly, he heard a voice cry out, "Quick, hurry up! There's someone under the tree. Come and take his jewels and his horse. Hurry or else he'll slip away." The king was amazed. He looked up and saw a big, brown bird on the tree under which he was sitting. He also heard faint noises issuing from the cave. He quickly got onto his horse and rode away as fast he could. Soon he came to a clearing which looked like an ashram. It was the Rice's ashram. The king tied his horse to a tree and sat down in its shade. Suddenly, he heard a gentle voice announce, "Welcome to the ashram, sir. Please go inside and rest. The rice will back soon. There's some cold water in the food. Please make yourself comfortable." The king looked up. "The forest is full of surprises," he said. The holy man smiled and said, "After all, one is known by the company one keeps." That bird has always heard the talk of robbers. He imitated Jim and talked about robbing people. This one has repeated what he has always heard. He welcomes people to the ashram. Now, come inside and rest. I tell you more about this place and these birds.